Hello dear students. Today in social studies we'll continue the explanation of chapter 12, that is age of exploration. So yesterday we had done till Bartholomew Dias. Today we'll start from Ferdinand Magellan. Before starting the chapter, let me tell you that earlier in the previous chapter we had learned about Ferdinand Magellan. So Ferdinand Magellan, he was born in 1480 CE till 1521. He was a Portuguese sailor and an explorer and a navigator. Now, a navigator is a person who makes map, who undertook sailing expedition on behalf of Spain. Expedition here, the expedition of here the meaning of expedition is a organized journey which we done for a purpose given by somebody. So, in 1519 CE, Magellan set out to sail around the world with 5 ships. So, dear students, Ferdinand Magellan in 1519, he started his voyage with 5 ships. He sailed around the Atlantic Ocean of south side and in November 1520 into the Pacific Ocean through the strait that is now named after him, Strait of Magellan. This voyage was completed by Ferdinand Magellan. So straight after this discovery, it was named after Ferdinand Magellan's name, that is Strait of Magellan. Now, Magellan was able to reach only till the Philippines, where he was killed in a battle with the natives. Now, Ferdinand Magellan was not able to complete the journey because in the Philippines, where he was killed by the natives. Now, natives is a people or a group of people where they live or belongs. His deputy Jean Sebastian Elcano returned to Spain with huge quantities of cloves, but with only one ship. This was the first successful circumnavigation of the world. Circumnavigation means the full journey around the earth. Magellan's voyage proved that the earth was round and gave an idea about the distribution of land and water on its earth's surface. Now, coming to Christopher Columbus. Christopher Columbus, he was born in 1451 CE till 1506. Was an Italian navigator. Columbus wanted to find a new route to Asia. In the year 1492 CE, with the help of King Ferdinand II and Queen Isabel I of Spain, Columbus set sail with 3 ships westward across the Atlantic Ocean to reach Asia. After a long wait of 3 weeks, Columbus spotted some islands and assumed these to be outlying islands of Asia. The islands were actually the present-day islands of the Caribbean. Later, Columbus also visited Cuba, Haiti, and many other small islands. In these later voyages, he further explored the islands of the Caribbean Sea and the coast of Central America and a part of the northern coast of South America. Christopher Columbus failed to discover a new sea route to Asia. However, he has long been credited as the discoverer of the new Americas. So now, talking about Christopher Columbus, so he was an Italian explorer and a navigator who completed 4 voyages. He made 4 trips across the Atlantic Ocean from Spain in the year in 1492, then 1493, 1498, and last one was in 1502. Christopher Columbus died in 1506 due to heart failure. Dear students, some people also believe that Christopher Columbus had discovered America, but this is not true. He had explored the Central and South American coast only. He has never joined any foot in the North America. So students, Christopher Columbus had explored central and northern part of South American coast only, but he is also credited as the discoverer of the New World Americas because of its discoveries and exploration. Later, he has also visited many other islands like Cuba, Haiti, etc. But he was failed to discover a new sea route to Asia. Thank you.